Oh, wow. There it goes. Show us the damage.
All right.
Hey guys.
We're at our campsite in the middle of Oregon. There's a river.
There's a river to go swimming.
So why not? Oh.
Michi is about to use this rope swing. Hi! How is the swing?
So fun.
Nice. Driving up the Oregon coast on our way to a campground. We are about 15 minutes away.
You gotta see the ocean.
You gotta see it, it's gorgeous. Perfect.
We're at Driftwood Beach, Oregon State Park. No parking fee. It's just left. No one's here.
This is the beauty of van life. You never know where you're gonna end up. Sometimes you just find empty beaches and you can stay there all day.
Oregon coast. No.
Who knew? Not me. It's better than California.
Mm-hmm. Oh, buddy.
We then headed south to Cape Perpetua, smack dab in the middle of the Oregon coast. Cape Perpetua has many short trails along the shore, and many head straight to the ocean, walking on the volcanic basalt rock formations.
Chilling on the rocks, yo.
See the vibrant sea life up close for yourself. The trails are lined with blackberry bushes, cypresses, and evergreens, making it the destination where the forest meets the ocean. Caverns and other formations capture the waves of the Pacific to create unique sights and sounds. This is Thor's Well, aka the drain pipe of the Pacific. With waves crashing through this jetting feature, it has become one of the gems of the Oregon coast. We watched the mesmerizing water before we headed back on the road.
Washington! Woo! Get me out of Oregon!
Welcome to Washington, the evergreen state.
Yes. It's lit. We made it to Bogachiel State Park in Washington. We're already showered up because all the showers in the Oregon parks are closed. And now we're here. There she is. Post dinner. Yeah. We're at Hoh Rainforest National Park in Olympic National Park, Washington. Hoh River, baby!
So beautiful. I don't know if you can see the color in the camera, but this is like a turquoise blue river. It's beautiful. Super moody with the clouds. So Washington. Jeez.
This might be my favorite park yet. Yeah. We're in Sol Duc, Olympic National Forest, yet again in Washington. Oh my goodness, is that a mushroom? Yes, we got some mushrooms here. Mushrooms. Look at them. Perfecto. Cremini. I don't know what kind. If you know what kind of mushrooms those are, put it in the comments below. This is beautiful as heck. Mossy fungus goodness. Mushroom. The mushrooms. Got a lot more mushrooms here. Mushroom. Mushroom. Mushroom.
We have made it to Sol Duc Falls. Guess what happened? We almost got a flat tire. It's hanging on by a thread. We were on our way to see one of his friends and heard two loud banging sounds, and the car was driving a little funny.
Yeah, sorry, Karan, that's why I'm late.
This is why we're late.
I'm gonna text you soon.
I'm so proud of you. There's our spare.
Text Karan.
Yeah, I will. Of course. Can't believe it didn't pop.
Seriously.
So lucky.
Break. Do we have liftoff? We have liftoff.
Oh wow. There it goes. Show us the damage.
Oh.
Look at that! Thank you for getting us this far. Look how good Nietzsche looks. Oh my god. Good job!
Onward to Federal Way.
Yes!
See you soon, Karat and Brian. Boom!
AutoZone.
Just subscribe already. Come on.